What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's night ride, we're just going around our neighborhood looking for some really cool Halloween decor. They're supposed to be closing some streets here in West Covina because a lot of people are making decorations for Halloween, and I have yet to see them during nighttime. So instead of driving around, see what the commotion's about, I'm riding the EUC. We're on the V11 Inmotion electric unicycle. We have accumulated maybe about 50 miles now. We're still in the learning phase. I'm not really comfortable riding this on the sidewalk because it's actually so much more narrower, and it's actually more challenging riding on a sidewalk versus on the street. But then again, yeah, we're just doing a night leisure ride. It's almost 10 p.m. And the hardest part, challenge-wise, that I have on this EUC is mounting and dismounting. Everything else I have pretty much, good experience on. But it's still not easy to mount and dismount. Because this Inmotion, the V11 is so high up the ground. It's like a good 6 inches, 7 inches up because of the suspensions. But yeah, let's keep exploring the hood. Let's see what kind of Halloween decorations we can spot. I mean, on other times, takes like a couple of tries to get on it properly. That's a Ghostbuster theme, Halloween, that's cool. The fastest I've been on this EUC is apparently 29 miles per hour. And I don't know why, the range says it goes up to like 60 miles or something like that, but honestly, I think I'm only pushing about 25 miles, and before the battery starts blinking and before I have to get a charge. Alright, the cool thing about West Covina, not a lot of crazy drivers, at least not that I know of. The bad thing about West Covina is it's filled with coyotes at night. I was riding around the EUC yesterday getting more practice and reps in. I saw about 4 coyotes by Del Norte Park. There's just lots of coyotes. And that's too bad because I actually wanted to start walking my huskies during nighttime because that's when they're most active. But if coyotes are also active during nighttime, then I guess that would be a no on walking the dogs. This Inmotion scooter, the light isn't so bright. I have to use my helmet light in addition to that regular light down there, and it's pretty low. Just lights up maybe 20 feet of the floor. I don't know, it could be better. But then again, this is like a budget-friendly EUC. And I think I need to get that mirror that people have right here so I can really see who's behind me, if anyone. I think that would be really useful since I'm riding on the street so many times. People are looking at me like I'm a floating ghost. I should wear like a Halloween costume and just float around, because this is like, it's like I'm floating. No one can hear me, and they just see a figure floating towards them. I would be freaked out as well. Yeah, look at this one. They went all out. They have like the ring girl. They have lots of pumpkins. It's a nice decor. A skull. Oh, that's freaky. A rocking, some figure on a rocking chair. Okay, let's look around this part. Turn. Let's see if anyone has anyone. I thought I saw another big car somewhere here. They probably are more towards the main street in Orange. I don't know what the fuss is all about. We're getting notices that they're going to do road closures. I don't see anything. I don't see much. I've always wanted to start like a night watch. I think night riding is pretty cool. I feel like I'm just policing the neighborhood right now. Everyone's looking at me like, you know, like something they've never really seen. You rarely see EUCs, to be honest. I'm still shocked when I see an EUC in the wild. In group rides, obviously, that's normal. I see them there. But just roaming around the neighborhood, not so much. Yeah, I really don't know what the fuss is about. I don't see much decor. I don't see much decorations. I haven't mastered stairs or jumping off curbs yet. I don't have any power pads. Again, still fairly new at the EUC world, but I definitely ordered a seat that's coming in the mail. I definitely want to be able to sit down because after a while you get some kind of foot fatigue. But I did notice that if you change your shoes, some shoes will give you less foot fatigue, obviously, than others. But I don't know if it's worth buying like $100 worth of just pedals. Maybe I'll just keep changing my shoes till I find a real comfortable one. Maybe, I don't know. But to this day, the hardest part is not even carving. Again, it's really just the part where you're mounting and dismounting. To me, that's the hardest part. Since we're here, there's one 12 o'clock. I just saw a coyote. See that? Look at those glowing eyes. Right there, glowing eyes. Since we're here, we're gonna practice riding on the sidewalk. That coyote's fast. Just bolted out of there. Okay, I dismounted and oh gosh, it's so hard to level out on this. Yeah. Nope. See? Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. When I'm mounting and dismounting. It's like you have to push off. Like a skateboard, I think it's good to kick off from what I'm noticing. This is what I mean. It's hard to turn on really tight turns, especially if I don't have enough speed. Because obviously you need speed to balance easier. But this is good practice for me right here. Like these kind of little sidewalk curves, and there was a drop right there. I need more sidewalk practice, and the only way to do that is nighttime when not a lot of people are walking around. It's not bad when no one's walking around. It's hard to balance when people are walking in the same side of the sidewalk as you, you know? You have to be real mindful. As soon as you mount this V11, you level out, meaning like you buckle your legs, stand up as straight as possible. As soon as you're not wobbling, the better off you are. At least that's how I'm learning. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, that's the sharpest turn ever. Okay, how to step off. It's the sharp turns are so hard to do. Ow, another blooper. I don't know why I fell in that one. I just fell. Look at all this scuffs from falling. This scooter probably took about 20 falls for me to learn balancing on it, and I'm still learning. I can't wait to get a seat. There's no way I'm going to be ready for a group ride. Still learning the mount process, the method. It's tiring when you're mounting and dismounting. One thing is for sure, you level out and you definitely press forward already, so you're gaining speed. Balance as best as you can, and subtle movements, very subtle movements. I think this is the dog park. I wonder if anyone's here. Nope. Everyone takes away their dogs at night because again, the coyotes are roaming about. Park is practically empty. I don't know why I tried practicing initially on grass. I couldn't get any ground, and I couldn't balance for so I don't recommend doing that. It's a lot harder on the sidewalk, at least for my skill levels. That's going to be today's quick vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your e-bikes. That's a wrap, folks. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.